The Houston Intercontinental Climate Summary for yesterday, January 14th, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature was 51 degrees. The normal high is 63. The record high is 82 degrees, which was set in 1971. Yesterday's low temperature was 33 degrees. The normal low is 43. The record low is 19 degrees, which was set in 1982. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 2.83 inches. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 2.83 inches. No snow fell yesterday. There were 23 heating degree days yesterday, and there were no cooling degree days yesterday. Yesterday, the maximum wind observed was 21 miles an hour from the north. The highest wind gust observed was 25 miles per hour from the north, which occurred at 11:52 p.m. The normal high temperature for today is 64 degrees, and the normal low is 43. Sunrise today is at 7:18 a.m. and sunset is at 5:44 p.m. This is a wind chill advisory product for the following counties in Texas: Bolivar Peninsula, Brazoria, Chambers, and Galveston. Wind chill advisory in effect from midnight tonight to noon Central Standard Time Tuesday. What? Very cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 10 above zero. Where? Portions of southeast Texas. When? From midnight tonight to noon Central Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts. The cold wind chills could result in frostbite or hypothermia if precautions are not taken. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. A wind chill advisory means that very cold air and strong winds will combine to generate low wind chills. This will result in frostbite and lead to hypothermia if precautions are not taken. If you must venture outdoors, make sure you wear a hat and gloves. This is a hard freeze warning product for the following counties in Texas: Brazoria, Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. Hard freeze warning in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 18 expected. Where? Portions of South Central and Southeast Texas. When? From midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts. Frost and freeze conditions will kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Additional details. Temperatures will climb into the low to upper 30s on Tuesday. However, sub-freezing temperatures are again expected Tuesday night into Wednesday. Therefore, the hard freeze warning will remain in effect through early Wednesday morning. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to protect them from freezing. Freeze warning in effect from 2 a.m. to noon Central Standard Time Tuesday. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 27 expected. Where? Matagorda Islands, Brazoria Islands, Galveston Island, and Bolivar Peninsula counties. When? From 2 a.m. to noon Central Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts. Frost and freeze conditions will kill crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. To prevent freezing and possible bursting of outdoor water pipes, they should be wrapped, drained, or allowed to drip slowly. Those that have in-ground sprinkler systems should drain them and cover above-ground pipes to protect them from freezing. 7 a.m. observations. At Houston Bush Intercontinental, fog was reported. Temperature 30, dew point 28, relative humidity 92%. Wind north at 16 miles an hour, wind chill 19. Pressure 30.14 inches and rising. At Angleton, fog was reported. Temperature 31, dew point 29, relative humidity 92%. Wind north at 15 miles an hour, wind chill 20. Pressure 30.10 inches and rising. At Galveston, cloudy. Temperature 39, dew point 34, relative humidity 82%. Wind north at 22 miles an hour, gusting to 30, wind chill 29. Pressure 30.09 inches and rising. Other regional observations. At San Antonio, freezing drizzle was falling with a temperature of 21. Fog was reported with a temperature of 31 at Hobby Airport, 22 at Huntsville, and 25 at Conroe. At Tomball, it was cloudy with a temperature of 27. At Dallas-Fort Worth, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 11. At College Station, mixed precipitation and fog were reported with a temperature of 20. Coastal stations. At Victoria, fog was reported with a temperature of 23. It was cloudy with a temperature of 35 at Lake Charles, 37 at Beaumont, and 26 at Palacios. At Corpus Christi, freezing drizzle and drizzle were reported with a temperature of 27. The buoy reports. The report from 20 miles east of Galveston was not available. 60 miles south of Freeport, winds were north at 21 knots. Sea temperature 71. Wave height 7 feet. Wave period 7 seconds. The forecast for Houston and the surrounding areas. Winter weather advisory in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Hard freeze warning in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday. Wind chill advisory in effect from midnight tonight to noon Central Standard Time Tuesday. Today, a chance of snow this morning. Cloudy with a chance of freezing rain and sleet. Ice accumulation around a trace. Much cooler. Near steady temperature around 30. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. Wind chill values as low as 15. Tonight, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Cold with lows in the lower 20s. North winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Wind chill values as low as 9 above. Tuesday, sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. North winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Wind chill values as low as 7 above in the morning. Tuesday night, clear, cold with lows around 20. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wind chill values as low as 13. Wednesday, sunny. Not as cool with highs in the lower 50s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Not as cool with lows in the lower 40s. Temperature rising into the upper 40s after midnight. Thursday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. Not as cool with highs in the upper 60s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Friday, sunny. Much cooler with highs in the lower 50s. Friday night, mostly clear. Cold with lows around 30. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 50s. Small craft advisory remains in effect until 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. Gale watch remains in effect from 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday through Tuesday afternoon. What? For the small craft advisory, north winds 20 to 25 knots and seas 4 to 7 feet expected. For the gale watch, north winds 25 to 35 knots with gusts near 40 knots and seas 7 to 12 feet possible. Where? Portions of Gulf of Mexico. When? For the small craft advisory, from 11 p.m. this evening to 3 a.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. For the gale watch, from late Monday night through Tuesday afternoon. Impacts: strong